We have seen an incredible increase in the amount of qualified leads we're getting from the Facebook and Instagram campaign. To say it's doubled would be to undersell it.
Before you hired Social Firestarter, what was the problem that you had? Like, what was the status of your law firm? What was the status of your marketing? And what were the problems that you had that you hired us to help you solve?
Yeah, I mean, the biggest problem that we had was just throwing a lot of money in a lot of different places, whether it's just, listing services and things like that weren't a good return on the investment. So either not producing the leads that they promised, or worse, producing leads that were just not related to our area of the law at all. So just a ton of leads, but not anything that we needed or wanted for our law firm.
Now, let me ask you a question. Why did you hire Social Firestarter? Like, what about us made you actually want to reach out and then ultimately hire us?
The way that you do your own advertising intrigued me because it seemed effective. It seemed targeted to who I was and what I was looking for. So that was good. I mean, the specific targeting was like, wow, if we could do that for our law firm, that would be great. So your own advertising was part of it. And then just quite frankly, working with Anita, working with Jordan and the team there, they listened. Anita spent a ton of time with me to understand our firm and what we're doing. That gave me a lot of confidence in working with you guys.
Awesome. Yeah. So what kind of services have we done for you, and what's it been like working with the team now that you've been on board and you've actually become a client?
Right. So getting close to being with you guys for a year. So you provided everything from building a website, the SEO, just sort of the standard SEO stuff, to a Facebook ad campaign that's been phenomenal. So it's been great to work with the team. I've never had a situation where an email or a phone call hasn't gotten answered within 24 hours. And I've been just amazed at how quickly updates on websites and things like that have been with you guys. It's been awesome.
As a result of what we've done, and obviously, different things are happening in different stages, but what have been some of the results that you've seen so far as a result of our efforts?
I mean, I've seen consistent, steady SEO build, building the foundation of the website that you guys did. We've gone from really no visibility in Google to top listings in our area in certain things, and just a great job we have some unique areas of law that we practice with military law, and you guys have done a great job of getting us visibility in those areas. And then over the last couple of months, it's been the Facebook and Instagram ad campaign. And we have seen an incredible increase in the amount of qualified leads we're getting from the Facebook and Instagram campaign. To say it's doubled would be to undersell it.
Awesome. Now, let me ask you this. You've gotten more leads, you've gotten more clients, you got more cases. How has that impacted maybe your business, or how has that impacted your life? Is there anything you can do now, or is there anything that you're doing now that you weren't able to previously do?
There is. I mean, we have hired more people. We're using more research assistants. We're getting more help. So we're impacting people in that way. But quite frankly, it's been a stress reducer for me. I've had you guys on my team to fight for me. So I've been able to focus on my clients and spend more time talking to my clients because the leads are coming in. I don't have to have the stress that a small firm normally does with that coming in. So that's been awesome. You guys have never promised or said you would do something that you haven't followed through on, number one. And then just having been in the legal business for almost 2 decades like I have, the cost effectiveness of what you guys are doing is amazing to me. It's been awesome.
I really appreciate you talking to me. I really appreciate the feedback. I'm looking forward to sharing this with the entire team, because they love seeing feedback like this. So yeah, that's awesome. Congratulations on all your success. And I mean, we're just getting started, it's going to keep going, which is the nice part, is that as you kind of get the foundation, years 2 and 3 and 4, that's where we really can kind of start taking things off. So, really happy for you. Really happy everything's going well for you.